guys. So, I'm at the reservoir right now. I wanted to bring you guys, so. Okay, is that a good spot? I have no idea. So we're gonna smoke first, and then we're gonna go for a little walk. Yay! So exciting. I packed a bowl. I wish I had a blunt, but I don't. I'm gonna have to buy some Dutches, and then I'll make a blunt video. I haven't made a blunt video in a long time, but ugh. Gotta open the window a little bit. Oh my god, it's so smoky in here. I'm gonna put the window back up. It looks cool. Wish you guys could see it. Every time I try to show you guys smoke, though, it doesn't show up good. Ooh, okay. Let's go adventuring. Ugh. Just gotta hide my purse. Alright. Okay. Whew. I can't even. You see, pretty. I always see giant spiders over here, though. Like, no joke, they're as big as my hand. Like, oh my god. I hope I see one day when I'm recording here. Well, I usually only come here when I'm recording now. So, I mean, I want you guys to see one of those spiders because they are freaking nasty. Fucking devils. Devils! It's kind of creepy out here. Like, all alone. I don't know, I feel like some crazy killer is gonna, like, pop out behind a tree and, like, hack me to pieces and then eat them and then nobody would know. One time I found a trail of, like, money, like, coins here. I was like, oh my god. Somebody has a breadcrumb trail of money. It was pretty cool. Ah, it's windy though. I was gonna find a trail to walk on, but there doesn't seem to be any over here. Maybe there's one up here more. I wanted to go like into the woods, not like on this crappy road that I'm walking on. Oh, is that one? That looks like a trail. Let's venture off into it. Oh, I see other humans over there, so I'm definitely going this way. Because I'm making a video, and they're going to be like, what are you doing? I'm going to be like, oh, I make YouTube videos, and they're going to be like, what? So, oh my god, what is that? What is that? It's like a pair of pants or something. Creeped out. Creeped out. Ooh. It's so pretty. And this is a trail. I'm gonna walk on this trail here. Sorry about the unsmooth camera. Let's look at the sunshine. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so open over here. Like, it's like a field. Maybe that wasn't a trail. I don't think it goes back off into. There's like more. I'm creeped out. You guys are with me though, so it's okay. I don't think that was a trail. Tried to find it. I don't know if I should keep going. This is like creepy. I don't even know. I think this is a trail. It looks like one. Please don't shut off camera. I need my other humans. Yeah, that was not a trail. It just led to this open area. Ugh. Alright, let's go back.